Hello guys, welcome back to Little Frames. Please, if today is your first time visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy more quickly sessions together. Thank you for doing that. So, looking at this, we have to solve this radical equation. So, looking at this, we have to solve without a calculator square root of root 49 minus root 48. So in this case, we know that 49 can be expressed as 7 squared. So we are going to get square root of 7 squared, okay, minus, now this 48 we can also express as 16 times 3, okay, so minus square root of 16 times 3. So the square will cancel this square root, leaving square root of 7 minus. Now, we know root of 16, which is 4, then square root of 3. Okay, now we have to get a way to simplify what is inside the bracket. Okay, so 7, we can express that 4 plus 3. Okay, so it's equal to square root of 4 plus 3 minus 4 square root of 3. Okay, and if so, let us arrange this one. So this one we are going to get 4 minus square root of 3 plus 3. Okay, it is equal to square root of this. We can express that 2 square, okay, minus 4. We can say that 2 multiplied by 2 square root of 3. Then this 3, we can say that square root of 3 all squared, okay, is the same as this 3. Now, let's recall our algebra formula. We say that a minus b all squared is equal to a squared minus 2ab plus b squared. Now, let's compare this to what is under the bracket. You can see that our 2 squared is this, then cube square root of 3 squared is then our 2 is then 2 or a is this, then like this. You see? So our equation now becomes square root of, so it will be 2 squared minus square root of 3, okay, which is equal to 2 minus square root of 3 all squared. Okay, now this squared will cancel the square, will cancel out this, leaving 2 minus square root of 3. Okay, so this is the answer for this expression. Don't forget, we are not supposed to use a calculator. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.